I'm Deepak Kumar, CEO of ProDigital. So here we are showcasing solution on command and control centers and the smart products that we manufacture that goes into defense sector, aerospace and manufacturing. So the response for this show was amazing. We got to meet a lot of senior people from defense and aerospace, and thankful to IMS Expo for organizing such a great show. Thank you.
Hi, I am Vipin Sharma from Vicky Power Tools. About this exhibition, we found many new clients here, and it's a very good opportunity to participate in this exhibition, IMS 2025.
Shah. I am from Botad Electric, Ahmedabad. We are participating in IMS 2025 and good experience in IMS 2025. Thank you.